Welcome to SunPower Pro Tips. All communication cables must be tested to ensure they function correctly before connecting them from the Hub Plus to the ESS. A LAN cable tester evaluates each of the 8 individual wires in a cable and shows either a pass or fail. Each LAN tester has its unique method of indicating pass or fail. Be sure to review your particular LAN tester manufacturer's instructions. This example of a dysfunctional Cat6 cable shows one end open with no connector attached. The LAN tester reads fail when the cable is inserted. Use your LAN tester to verify that each of the following cables functions correctly by plugging one cable head into the resistance end and the other cable head into the top port on the LAN tester. The gray Ethernet cable from the MIO to the Hub Plus, the black Ethernet cable from the ESS to the Hub Plus, the orange Cat5e cable from the MIO to battery 1, the front battery, and all of the gray Cat5e battery-to-battery cables. There may be more than one depending on the total number of batteries in the system. For additional information, refer to the SunVault Operation and Maintenance Guide 534794. And now you've completed verification of the communication cables from the Hub Plus to the ESS.